Nice, we're starting episode 36 on here on the bike with David.
Ja, moin.
And he keeps damn cool. Not so cool is the ridiculous riding style of this dude here. Many people are lacking a lot of coolness in traffic, but well, if they didn't, there would be nothing for you to watch here. This guy is the king of idiocy. His left tires didn't even leave the oncoming lane, and then he keeps overtaking with his little bubble car in a blind corner. Darwin Award, please! Let's switch to something less deadly. This buddy over here isn't the master of the wheels either, but he did no harm but to a poor tree. The tree's dad is gonna have a word with him.
Jo, so kann man's auch machen, du Arsch.
The following clip is not from a private car, not from a truck, but from a farm tractor. We don't see this so often. From this tractor, we are seeing two crazy stunts. I guess he thought the car would keep going and wanted to escape to the right first. Gladly, he handled the situation like a boss. Low traffic zone, priority to right. Keyword obliviousness. To the max. We are now going for 2 minutes already, and we got flooded with so many ridiculous passings. And it's not getting better. This dummy is overtaking a whole damn cycling family in a corner. And one more because... But off to something completely different. The dude to the left is fiddling around on the phone and starts walking like literally no world around him existing.
Ich hasse gerade im Moment außer dich.
Was ist mit ihm, Alter? Ist der lebensmüde? Guck dir das mal an. Ohne, Alter. Das kannst du dann Sascha schicken.
Das kann ich dem Sascha schicken.
Mission accomplished, you earned YouTube, hooray! Here we are doing a perfectly normal passing, after which the driver wants to move back onto the right lane. Respect to this biker, his organs will save somebody's life. You gotta love it when people are standing or walking on the bike lane and couldn't care less about actual bikes. Bad weather, roadwork zone, speed limit of 80. Believe it or not, it gets stupider. Bad weather, speed limit of 80, now in a tunnel. Oh no, one of the worst inventions. 2 lanes running into a roundabout without any internal markings. Chaos is guaranteed. Those clips are from Switzerland and France. Gladly, they are almost non-existent in Germany. That would suck.
Alter.
Take a look at this BMW. We are coming close to an appearing jam, which is why the camera driver starts to slow down. When you now take care of the BMW, you will recognize that he doesn't matter for this whole scene. Others take the cake for presenting stupid behavior. Someone's replacement kidneys right there. You are supposed to make space for buses in Germany, but this bus here seems to be kinda cocky about it. We are going on the freeway and there is a Porsche about to enter it. First, he doesn't let the van enter the freeway properly, but has to push himself past it. And then... I don't know what kind of a frickin' mission he's on.
Geisterfahrer!
I personally wouldn't care about this as a cyclist. There's plenty of space for everyone, and depending on where you want to go, it could be very annoying to get to the other side. The pedestrian to the left seems to have given annoyed feedback about Patrick going on driving, and it's unclear why. Because this is not a dedicated pedestrian crossing, but maybe they get the feeling that it is? Maybe it would be a good decision of the town to actually place a crossing there. 4 kidneys and 2 livers on a quick way delivering themselves to the next hospital for several people to receive. Thank you, guys! Honestly though, such a stunt with a passenger on your bike? Talking about irresponsible. I don't think I would ever like to be on the back with another person riding the machine, but if I was, I would not allow such riding at any point. I would force him to stop and then give him a good smack to the helmet. If strong enough, he gets a really evil shaking in there. Oh, look at this awesome winter weather. And this dude driving overhead. No snow, but a van overhead. Sporty Benz overhead. BMW overhead. Another BMW overtaking a million cars over the lane of oncoming traffic. And now from the perspective of a correct driver, another Benz overhead.
In 500 Metern.
Fahr doch zu, Mann!
More kidneys!
Record video.
We got this BMW here at the drive-thru, and the funny thing is, there seem to be whole Facebook groups complaining about the driver of this particular car. Seeing how skilled he seems to be on this curb, you know you are dealing with a pro here. We left the drive-thru and the guy got to mark his territory. Standing at the light, another BMW of the same model. It's all fun and games until such a guy loses control in town and ends up painting his 4-wheeled weapon red. This here is an older clip, where an elderly driver was hitting a pedestrian at the side. Interesting is, we stay on the same road just a couple months later, other direction. Must be the same grandpa in a different car. The other lane is wide open and free, but he decided to barely miss the pedestrian. Oh boy, that guy is a major accident waiting to happen.
Was ist das denn? Mitten auf dem Fußgängerweg geparkt?
This is a very unusual clip. Our guy is on foot. Looks funny, doesn't it? In any case, it's not only the minivan on the sidewalk here, it's even another car in front of that one. Cutting corners in such a way is beyond pointless. Why is he even stopping now? What is supposed to happen? The camera driver got no space to go around him with his puny right-of-way. I don't know why people do that. It's good for nothing. It's basically just what it looks like. Stupid bullshit! We are going 230 kph and running into the anti-mirror disease. You know, as I said before, even when you are allowed to go as fast as you like on the Autobahn, you need to be very careful with it. Especially when there is a mentionable amount of other cars in sight. It's almost guaranteed they will come up with idiotic and oblivious actions. And it doesn't matter if you are in the right or wrong when you are not getting back home healthy at the end of the day. Here is an example how you can do this better. We are approaching here at the same high speed, but as the driver sees quite many cars gathering there, he gets off the gas in wise anticipation. And you saw, this whole thing here was almost harmless because he let go of quite some speed beforehand compared to the clip prior to this here. A more relaxed driving saves you a lot of brain damage, mentally and physically. Talking about speed, you know the kind of vehicles very often going very fast. The ones which carry a lovely piñata of donor organs. And don't get mad at me for talking smack, I am also riding motorbikes, but I never do it in such an insane fashion. And since it's very clear that they are especially endangering themselves and often playing with their health and life by intention, I see it as justified to make fun of them soon ending up in some wooden box. They are asking for it, are they not? So, hard cut, enjoy this cat. Do it now! This episode is finished now, and if you think it was too short, fear not. There are plenty more that you can watch. Do it now! And feel free to activate that bell thingy so you'll be informed about our regular uploads, so you get more enjoyable content. Los knacken!